Warm Wishes explained, unraveling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase, warm wishes. This phrase is commonly used in English but can be a bit confusing for learners. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Warm wishes is a phrase used to express kind and friendly feelings towards someone, especially in written communication. It's often used to conclude letters or messages in a heartfelt and positive way. The word, warm, in this context signifies affection, friendliness, and genuine care. Let's look at some examples. 1. At the end of a letter, I hope to see you soon. Warm wishes, your name. 2. In holiday greetings, sending you warm wishes for a Merry Christmas. 3. In well-wishing, warm wishes for your speedy recovery. These examples show how warm wishes can be used in various contexts to convey positive sentiments. The use of warm wishes can vary depending on the culture and occasion. In some cultures, it might be more common in formal settings, while in others, it's used more casually. There are also variations of the phrase like, best wishes, kind regards, or, with love, each carrying a slightly different tone and level of formality. For learners of English, use warm wishes when you want to add a personal, caring touch to your message. Remember, it's more common in written communication. Feel free to experiment with variations to find what feels most natural for you. That's all about warm wishes. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself, and phrases like warm wishes add warmth and personality to your communication. Warm wishes to all of you for your language learning journey.